What is going on, guys? It is Joe. Welcome back to a brand new episode of The Breakfast Club. The Breakfast Club is a series on my channel in which I superset between full day of eating vlogs and then mini Q&As while I eat breakfast, sometimes even make breakfast, called The Breakfast Club. Questions left by the subscribers in the comment section down below or DM to me on Instagram at Joseph_Garcia17. We have been known to eat and make some interesting things on The Breakfast Club, such as French toast pancakes, ice cream wraps, cookies, cheesecakes, all that good stuff. And for The Breakfast Club, what I'm having is pretty simple, pretty standard. I'm about to go out again tonight. This is back-to-back nights I'm going out, a little night on the town. Wish me luck, ladies and gentlemen, because I am still kind of recovering from yesterday. And we're going out again tonight. So I wanted to actually sit here, make this Breakfast Club episode and actually eat something. So I made myself a little bit of PB Fit and banana sandwich, real simple. 2 slices of white bread, some PB Fit, a banana, quick, easy. You get some protein with the PB Fit, you get some protein actually in the bread as well. The banana has some potassium, which I will be losing a lot of electrolytes tonight with all the drinks. You know, when I'm on the go and I want something quick and easy as a snack, I want to keep it nice and low calorie, get some protein, get some carbs in, and some micronutrients. PB Fit banana sandwich you can never go wrong with. The point now where I don't even remember the last time I actually had like real peanut butter outside of like my show day, outside of my one day out where I actually had like, you know, Reese's cups and all that stuff. But other than that, I don't remember the last time I actually used real peanut butter like in my normal day to day. I just use PB Fit from now on. Low in calories, high in protein, and I'm all about it. We're going to answer 2 questions for this Breakfast Club. This one was DM'd to me. Question for the BC: how do you calculate maintenance calories? Does the type of workout have an effect, i.e. cardio versus weights? Thanks, my dude. I have a formula I use, but I feel it's not very accurate. I typically will take number of days training, multiply it by 5 to 600 calories. Depending on the intensity, and divide by 7 days a week. So I have answered this question before as far as how to actually calculate maintenance calories. There are different formulas that you can use. I have in the past used, I forget the actual name of the formula, but you basically take your body weight, you multiply it by 14, and you multiply it by 16, and you take the average of those 2 numbers, and that is somewhat close to your overall maintenance calories. Now, even that is actually pretty inaccurate sometimes, just because we're all so different. Like, that is a good, I guess, reference point, but even that I would say has its own flaws. Any type of real formula to find your maintenance calories, I feel, is off in some way, shape, or form. I think the best way to actually do it is just to track what you eat, track how many calories you're having, and track your median weight. You do that for a couple weeks. If you are tracking your calorie intake on a day-to-day basis and you're having an average of, let's say, 2,500 calories, and your median weight week to week isn't changing a whole lot, kind of maintaining a certain range, then that's how you know like you're eating around maintenance calories. If you start tracking your calories and week to week and you notice that your median weight is going up, then you're in a surplus. If you notice it's going down, you're in a deficit. It's a lot of trial and error when it comes to calculating your overall maintenance calories, and even if you think you know your maintenance calories, you really don't know your maintenance calories because it's just a guess and every day is so different. You want to try to have a starting point, you can use an online calculator, you can multiply your weight by 14 and 16. Know that it isn't going to be 100% accurate. I think the best way to go about it is just to track what you're eating, track your weight. That process is going to help you with multiple aspects when it comes to your overall just health and wellness like journey. It's going to get you in the habit of weighing yourself every day. It's going to get you in the habit of tracking your overall food and tracking your calories. Those at the end of the day are good things to do if you have a certain goal in mind that you're looking to go after and looking to achieve. This next question also correlates with the previous question as far as just counting calories and tracking all that stuff. Bro, how do you feel about intuitively eating / not counting calories? I'm interested in your opinion on that type of stuff. I'm asking because my goal isn't just to build muscle at the moment, and I've been tracking for a while and I have an idea of my protein sizes, and I just don't feel like tracking anymore. So I kind of have a twofold answer when it comes to intuitively eating. I think that if you've never tracked your calories before, tracked what you're eating, weighed anything out, if you have a goal, whether it's gaining or losing weight or even gaining, I don't recommend to intuitively eat. I recommend to start tracking your things, weighing things out, get an idea of, you know, portion sizing and what, you know, a 500 calorie meal looks like when you actually measure everything out and different foods, and you can see the differences between lower calorie and higher calorie dense foods and the amount of volume you can have. So if you're just starting out, definitely do not recommend intuitive eating, especially if you have a goal in mind, if you've gotten yourself to a certain place. Let's say you are overweight, you're obese, your body fat that is in some way, shape, or form unhealthy. Well, you intuitively ate to that state. So don't think you can intuitively like reverse that. You know, start counting calories, start tracking your food. I think if you are maybe underweight, you want to build muscle, you intuitively are just not eating enough to build muscle. Start tracking your calories. If you want to start gaining weight, gaining muscle, start doing those things. Once you have done them for a while, and if you don't want to do that anymore, at least you have an idea, you have a reference. And I think in some way, shape, or form, you should look at food like numbers, like calories. You would actually make a meal, and whether you're trying to just maintain or lose weight or whatever the case is, have a calorie goal just in mind at the end of the day. Don't just willy-nilly eat to your heart's desire, because we can all either over or under eat into an unhealthy state, no problem. If you've been tracking for a while, I would still recommend to have a goal, have a calorie goal, something that just allows you to be healthy at the end of the day. Intuitively try and guesstimate your calories. If you notice that you're off in some way, shape, or form, and you're going in the opposite direction from intuitively eating, then I would recommend start counting calories again until you get the hang of it. Even myself right now at the moment, I guess I am somewhat intuitively eating. I have a set calorie goal in mind that I know I want to try and hit every day, but I am personally just like not measuring or not weighing anything out, especially after tracking things every single day the last 4 months of all being on prep. I mean, even to the point like weighing like my vegetables out per serving. It's annoying and I get it, but after that period of weighing everything out for a certain amount of time and going after a goal that I had, I can now kind of step back a little bit and intuitively eat, but I still am very self-conscious of the amount of calories that I'm putting into my body. So intuitively eating and not counting and not measuring can work, and you can easily maintain a great physique and a healthy body while doing it. But I'm always going to advocate that you have some sort of calorie goal in mind, but you're not just throwing everything out the window, just eating mindlessly. Hope that answered you guys' questions. I am wrapping the video up here. Please leave a like if you guys enjoyed. Subscribe if you guys are new. We're chasing 1,000 subscribers by the end of this year. Right now we're hovering at 480 subscribers, so let's get to 500 as soon as possible, and then on our way to 1,000. Ending it here until next time, it's been your boy Joe. Peace.